So I got my mask on, mask check. Hope y'all can hear me. So it is about 6:41 a.m. About 15 minutes early. Walmart doesn't open to 7 a.m. So I have to do the waiting game. Just waiting until Walmart opens. Just waiting. So in the meantime, welcome to my channel, Go.Deej. If it's your first time visiting, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that way you can be notified every time I upload a video. So like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Almost there, y'all. So I'm finally in Walmart, and now it's time to just go to get my ingredients. You is out of your mind if you think I'm finna get some pre-mixed eggs. So let's go ahead and get back to the crib and whip up something nice. First things first, you need your big bowl. 2 eggs. All right, then I need 2 cups of flour. Yes, sir. 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. 1 cup. 1.5. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cup of grated cheese, but it's gonna be shredded cheese today. So 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now it's time to get these pasta shaken. All right, y'all, so there we go. Vienna Sausage pancake. We're going to do one with syrup, and then we're going to try one without syrup. All right, man, let's get into it and see. Oh, man, and again, nervous as always. Gobble, gobble, chop, chop. Okay. To be honest, it ain't one of my favorites, but, you know, that's that. Vienna Sausage pancake. What kind of concoction? Ooh, Sunny D. This video is for all my Vienna Sausage lovers out there. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you when I see you.